Good morning, everybody. Dustin Troy here at Lavaggio, and we put together a Porsche Cars and Coffee. The event's supposed to start in about 30 minutes, but the people and the cars are already here. So we should have about 50 Porsches here. Absolutely beautiful day. You gotta love California. So more to come. This is just the beginning, and always having fun in sunny Southern California. Great cars, great people, great day. All right, so we're back here at Porsche Cars and Coffee at Lavaggio. First one of the season. I'll be doing a bunch of these with every type of brand, every type of car. And you have Larry taking off in his Viper.
How's it going?
I'll see you tomorrow, Larry. There we go, parking cars. I've spent a lot of my life parking cars. So here we go. We're gonna do a walkthrough. We have another 15-20 cars coming. And this is at Lavaggio, the Art of Auto Detailing. I've been a part of the team for about 13 years in management. And this is just what we do. Great morning. Morning.
How you doing?
So the day's just begun, and we've got a brunch around 11:30. And this is gonna be a great day. Great day. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm gonna get more of these videos out. You know, I'm just so busy between everything I do. I can't get all the videos out and get content all the time, but I'm trying. That guy's getting washed. All right, more to come. All right, folks, Dustin Troy in here, and we're about 40 minutes into the Porsche event at Lavaggio, and the cars keep coming. Got about another 10 cars on the way. So it's a beautiful morning. And this is Lavaggio in Agora Hills, lavaggio.net. And this is what we do. I've been doing car events for over 20 years. I love the car community, all types of cars. And I've been doing events at Lavaggio for about 13 years. Anything from the Porsche crew to Mustangs, Camaros, Jeeps, 4x4s, cars, trucks, motorcycles, imports, you name it. Corvettes, Ferraris, Lambos, GTRs. And you know, over the course of doing Supercar Sunday, you know, we're approaching 25 years, give or take. Met a lot of wonderful people. So just another wonderful day. A lot of smiles. And there you go. Another great morning at Lavaggio. I've been doing this event for years and years and years. How are you, Luke? Thank you guys for being here. And brought the kid. I love it. Start them early.
I went in there to see the jet.
I'm going to turn this off for a second. All right, so we're back here at Porsche at Lavaggio. And some cars have moved around a little bit. We're going to get ready to go. We have a beautiful lunch at the new Porsche Woodland Hills building. And tours of the facility. It's going to be awesome. I gotta count the cars. It's so cool. Just another day doing what we do. Like and subscribe for more. You know, I put on all these events and it's always hard for me to get content because you know, I put on the event. But great morning. All right, so we're gonna head out. We're gonna head up to Porsche Woodland Hills. It's all Porsche Drive, and I'll be in the 959 with Addie. I mean, twist my arm, right? I get to drive in a 959. So we're getting ready to take off. There we go. Scott, I'll see you over there. Thank you for driving me your 959, Addie.
You're very welcome.
Jeez, life's rough.
Do you know that you're recording?
I am, for a second.
Do you know most Porsches actually designate what the car is on the back? 911, 911, right?
Okay.
Right? This one does not.
It doesn't have to. It's a 959.
No, you see, the only place where it says 959 on this car is right here.
So much fun.
This thing?
Today.
Yeah, today was actually a good show.